Hello, my food lovers. How are they? I smile because I want to cook some very simple chop. Okay, garden egg sauce and cocoyam so nice. Okay, now my garden egg that or they use tomato or they use onion or they use pepper or they use fish or they use tongue fish specifically or they use crayfish. I know use all that crayfish or they use basil, celery and spring onion. Then I'm a granite oil that and cocoyam so nice. You know these spices. Okay, you know these spices. So now all my things and that they use them. I like tongue fish because it daily meat, it thick the meat. So me I dey clean my garden egg na clean am before slice and boil am. Some people dey boil their own before we go peel am. So na my fish I don already fix am. I dey fix my fish so that I'll add maggi and salt, marinate am maybe about 30 minutes before I can fry am. So na why that I dey first fix am. So na my garden egg that way I don already finish and clean am. Na im that I dey slice am. So na im that way I dey already slice am my people. So when I was slice am finish I put am inside clean pot, put water, just go put am in the boil. E dey take time too before e boil. So na my tomato dem I don wash and slice and onion and green spices mix. So na my garden egg that na two side gas, so I dey cook the other one for the other side gas. Na im is all done. I go drain am now. E dey hard for done, so you get make am make e done soft. I go drain am now, put am apart. Then na me that wan fry my fish. I wan put my oil for fire. I put onion. I dey ever put onion so that make e fragrance, make e give some nice smell before I dey fry fish. So na my fish I dey fry, make e dry well. Na that ton fish I buy na that fresh one, so nice. I mean so good, it thick like meat, the way it's spicy fine, it dey enter for the skin or it fine. Na im I don fry my fish finish, so I don put my oil for fire. I fry onion about 2 minutes before I add my crayfish. I wan add my crayfish inside. Fry my crayfish and onion about 2 minutes again before I dey add my tomato and that green spices mix. So I dey fry am at this moment. Then I don empty my pepper na end. You fit grind your own pepper, but I don empty 3 pepper for inside. So leave your tomato make e cook about some minutes. E don already done. I don add salt, maggi. All thing don taste well. You need the sir at this moment I go inside now that my garden egg wey I don already boil and keep am. So this food is very delicious but so simple to cook. Leave your garden egg make e cook about 3 minutes inside tomato, then go now there fry fish. All thing don already taste. All thing e taste inside tomato before you add your garden egg. Okay, so now my fish that way I don fry am fine. I don add am now inside me that oil for that garden egg sauce. Me touch that fish. See sweet way is sweet, e no get e level. So now my fish I already add am inside. So nice but so simple. You no need no garlic, ginger, no spices. Okay, it's just so nice, so beautiful. So I chop my own cocoa. My cocoa that I clean, I wash am 4 times clean. Now that I put am for gas, it all done. See how cocoa clean. Use yourself if you see it, just you get appetite for chop. It tastes nice. So this is my garden egg sauce, my people. So nice. No garlic, no ginger, no spices. As I tell you, put na only crayfish inside. So nice. So this is my plate. Oh, what is life without good food? Oh my Jesus. See, I enjoy myself. Go and try this recipe and come and tell me. It's so nice. Okay, it also with ripe plantains, ripe boiled plantains.